Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your MOTOROLA One Action, for the first you have to move for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. So I can recommend you the application named CLONEit. Sorry. So let's get this application on the both devices. And when we got both apps open, we have to accept all of the permissions that pop ups on our screen. Of course, on this smartphone on the left, it's not going to happen because it's my private smartphone, and I used this application a lot of times, so I accept it before. And right now, when we accept all of the permissions, we have to click Sender on Android phone, tap Set, turn on location, go back, click Sender one more time, and on our MOTOROLA One Action we have to click Receiver. Click Search again, and if you got here Android share icon, you have to tap on it. And right now we can connect in the two ways. We can scan this QR code, and also we can input this password here manually, so you have to pick your way. But I'm going to scan the code. It's the fastest way to connect in this application. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send all of the data from this Android phone to your Motorola, you have to select all of these icons. After that, click Start. Here you will get the size of the selected files and also the estimated time. But I'm going to unselect it because it's only example, so I will go below for the details. And if you want to send also only one song, some pictures like 10, 5, something like that, you have to go for the details, and I'm going to show you an example on the music. So I'm going to unselect by tapping on the switcher all files that are on the smartphone, and I'm going to take these two songs, click Start, OK, and the transfer is almost finished. So let's tap on the both finish buttons, and after that we can go for the file manager and check if it is working, and it will be only audio or only downloads. Let's check where it is. And as you can see here, there's the two songs that we sent from this Android phone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!